Walking distance from HEL Airport, super convenient and value for money. Shared toilet. Many for use. No congestion at all. Consider a stay for airport transfer. Relaxing stay. I had a private room and it was exactly what I wanted. Decent bathroom even though it's shared. Excellent. Quiet, clean. If you book ahead, good value equals read cheap. My second time here. All the negative answers must concern the building next door. Hostel, same company. If you book, ask for the smaller building. Not far from the airport if you walk. Forenom Hostel Vantaa Aviapolis. At Forenom Hostel Vantaa Aviapolis, guests are bound to have a stress-free stay. Keep up with all your communications easily with the hostel's free Wi-Fi. Guests can enjoy free parking right at the hostel. Packing light is possible at Forenom Hostel Vantaa Aviapolis thanks to the hostel's laundry service, keeping your clothes clean. For the comfort and health of all guests, smoking is not permitted anywhere within the hostel. Smoking is allowed only in the designated smoking areas provided by hostel.All. Rooms at Forenom Hostel Vantaa Aviapolis are designed for comfort. For your comfort, some rooms at the hostel are equipped with linen service. In some select rooms, you can find a refrigerator and a coffee or tea maker at your disposal. Forenom Hostel Vantaa Aviapolis also provides towels in some of its bathrooms for your convenience.Dining and things to do. Do you prefer to cook your own meals? Then you'll love the in-house shared kitchen. Apart from amenities and services, Forenom Hostel Vantaa Aviapolis goes the extra mile to make sure all guests make the most of their time. Get social at the hostel's shared lounge and TV area, where you can meet other guests.Reasons to stay here. Find some of the city's best deals here with rooms 99% cheaper than other options. Find some excellent dining options here, where past guests have rated on-site or nearby dining better than 98% of the city's other accommodations.